Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, mediocrity is the only tool that you need to progress within the Buhari structure. This is something that we all know. You don't really need any competence or anything other than being mediocre, being Fulani, and being of a certain religion. So these are the three essentials to make progress within the Buhari structure. And if you have these three essentials, the sky is your limit. I can cite you several examples, Abubakar Malami, etc., the Chief Justice Tanko Mohammed, and you can just go through the list and just pick a name. So already we know this. As guys, I bring you this. Buhari's nominee to ICC jury rejected after securing 5 out of 110 votes. So well, that tells it all already. So the Nigerian country, as part of the many countries of the world, is given the opportunity to present a judge to come and be part of the bank of judges that the International Criminal Court uses to deliberate matters and sit on cases. So the Nigerian slot, of course, the nominee put forward by Malam Buhari. But again, Buhari's nominee to ICC jury rejected after securing 5 out of 110 votes. So now let's now see what has led to this ignominy. Justice Isaac Bello. So we can already stop the video there, because just from that name you already know how this is going to go. Some dunderhead Fulani guy has been sent into the international circles to go and represent, and swiftly sent back to Nigeria with his tail between his legs. But we go through it anyway. Justice Isaac Bello, the only Nigerian nominated for election to the International Criminal Court jury in 2020, has fluffed the country's chances after a poor performance in the election exercise on Thursday. President Muhammadu Buhari had in June 2020 nominated Bello, the Chief Judge of the Federal Capital Territory High Court, for the contest. According to the election results made available on the ICC website, the Nigerian nominee polls 12 votes, the second lowest, only after Milandau Prosper, the nominee for the Republic of Congo, out of 117 in the first round of the election. For candidates to be elected, they must garner 2/3 of the votes from the state parties. In the second round, Bello garnered only 5 out of 110 votes. The ICC Advisory Committee on the nomination of judges had earlier ranked Bello low in October, indicating that he may not be selected in the final election. Only Kona Jonah and I won't attempt this name, Gocha, nominees of the United Kingdom and Georgia respectively, were elected judges out of the 18 candidates. Whilst Bello may have lost the election, he is best remembered in Nigeria for a controversial ruling that freed a police officer who ordered the shooting of 6 persons in 2005. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Apparently the International Criminal Court is not quite ready yet for the Nigerian Meidumbu version of law and order. So this, of course, the Chief Judge of Abuja, apparently, according to the write-up, now sent into the international shores and quickly sent back in disgrace. But then, of course, this is the thing. This sort of level of incompetence, because, of course, we've heard some of the antecedents of this guy freeing an officer that just killed a whole bunch of people, a police officer, in this just like crude Janjaweed Fulani sort of law and order administration that we have in Nigeria. The arbitrariness and the impunity with which they used to govern the Nigerian state, this of course would not fly in the international community, and this guy has been sent back in disgrace. So they could have sent him back for countless of reasons. The fact that he's not properly qualified and not properly legally trained, it would be good enough of a reason for him to have been sent back, because of course he would have gone to Ahmedu Bello, Maiduguri, something, whatever it is, in some northern ramshack that they call a university, and they would have just given him some paper, because they just hand out certificates like a confetti in the north. Imagine that. Would you, as you are listening to this video now, would you allow yourself or a member of your family be treated by a doctor who got his qualification from Maiduguri University? Would you allow that? Who got his qualification from Yobe University? You will allow a doctor that said he got a certificate from Yobe University to treat you? Don't be silly. Of course you wouldn't. And this is now, of course, now what underpins now this abject just disregard and swift dismissal of this now Fulani dunderhead that has been sent to the international community and has been sent back with his tail between his legs. Conversations in the comment section. The rudderlessness of the Buhari regime wants to take an international dimension, but of course internationally they have standard. What says you come share thoughts? But before you come share those thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done all the clickings, come tell me then in the comment section what you're making now of how this supposed justice, no doubt, no less, has been treated. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.